everyone, what's up, what's good? I hope all of you are doing well, and for today's video we are going to make a caterpillar, and this is the picture that inspired me. So this is my final result, and I hope you're gonna enjoy doing it with me doing this video. This is all the materials you're going to need, which is pencil, crayons or markers, scissors, and of course papers. The way I started doing mine is by taking one paper and folded it in 4 parts. Then I drew a circle on top of the paper so I can use it as the body of the caterpillar. I'm gonna of course cut it later on, but you don't have to do it this way. You can also take one paper and draw 4 different circles, then just cut it. Once you're done drawing the circle, you can now cut it. Once you cut it, you will have 2 circles together. If they are not together, that means you did not fold the paper, which is fine. You can still draw a circle on the paper and then cut them. After you cut them, please make sure you have 5 circles in total at the end and start gluing them together. The 5th circle is going to be the head. Then you put your circles away. Then you're going to do the legs. To do the legs, you can use your fingers. I think it was fun for me to use my fingers, but you don't have to. You can also draw a very long oval and then just cut them. If you folded the paper like I did when I traced my fingers, then you should have many legs with only one cut. The reason why I folded the paper is so when I trace my finger and I cut it, I could have many legs at once, because you need 4 legs for each circles, which is like 16 legs in total, and then you're gonna need 1 other finger trace to put for the tails. So in total it should be like 17. After that comes the fun part, which is coloring the circles. You can draw the circles whatever color you want, they don't have to be green. Then you can start coloring one by one the legs that you did. I chose the color blue for the legs, but you don't have to, you can use whatever color you want. Once you are done coloring the legs, you can now start gluing them. Each circle should approximately have 4 legs, and don't forget the tail. For the mouth, I only took one of the legs that I did not use, then I color it. You don't have to. You can also draw your own mouth and then color it, then cut it. Then I took one of my paper and I started drawing the eyes. So you can draw 2 circles if you want, but if you fold a paper and you draw 1 circle, once you cut the circle, you should have 2 circles together. Like, look at mine. See, I have 2 circles with only 1 cut. And then after that, you can start drawing the antenna. You can use whatever design you want for the antenna. Then bring the eyes back and start coloring the black of the eyes. Again, they don't have to be exactly the same color as mine. You can choose whatever color you want. You can start coloring the antenna. You can do more than 1 color like I did. For example, I colored the whole body in purple and then the edge I put a little bit of pink. You can do the same way or you can do it differently, it's fine. Then you're gonna take the eyes and start gluing them. You can glue them in whatever position you want. Lastly, you're gonna take the antenna and you're going to glue it however you want, in the front, in the back, in the shape of a heart. You can do it however you want. But I chose my antenna to be in the back. So this is my final result. Let me know how you like it. If you try this at home, don't forget to send me a picture or video of your work. I would love to see them. Here's a fun video of my sister playing with it. Hope you like it, guys. Bye. Stay safe, healthy, and don't forget to email me.